lang po ah. Ano pong meaning nun? Magsa-snow na ba? Biglang nangingi ng snow.
To my dearest Justin, from the moment our paths crossed, I never imagined how beautiful life would change. Today, standing here with you, my heart is filled with gratitude, joy, and love. Growing up, I learned how fragile love can be, and it gave me fears of repeating the past. I carried doubts, what ifs, and walls around my heart. But God, in His perfect timing, healed those fears and led me to you.
Kapag pinabalikan ko ang araw na iyon, malinaw ko pang naaalala ang unang pagkakataon na nakita tayo. Noong panahon na iyon, huli na ako sa iyong aura at sa iyong mga ngiti. Mas lumalim pa ang nararamdaman ko sa iyo noong gabing iyon na magkasama tayong nakaupo sa tabing dagat.
Paupo, nagkwentuhan about sa buhay, sa trabaho, yung para talagang magkakilala namin yung isa't isa, yung kaming dalawa lang. After that,
Alam ko na ikaw ang taong nais kong makasama sa pagtatalak sa landas na ito. Napapakaligaya ko nang malaman ko na mahal mo rin ako.
The storms rise when the rain falls. We won't be moved. We won't be moved at all. And
Tapos, basta mabilis po yung nangyari kasi sa amin actually. Para siyang, kumbaga, fast forward yung mga nangyari lahat. Hindi siya ganun ka bagal, hindi rin ganun ka sobrang bilis. Pero parang on time lang din po lahat. Pero parang hindi pa rin po totoo. Pag sa ngayon, parang iniisip namin, parang siyang, ang bilis no, parang kahapon lang tayo nagkakilala, tapos ngayon, kasal na agad.
Anak, tapos na pagiging single mo ngayon. May kaasawa ka na. Ang gusto ko, pagkaroon ka ng anak, palakihin mo ng maayos, na may respeto sa Diyos. Alam mo na mahal kita. Kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako bilang nanay mo.
this is where it all begins. Standing in the
Looking back in our journey, I see God's hand in everything. Who would have thought that a simple moment, a brief encounter would lead me to my husband?
Magmahalan kayo lagi. Iwas yung away. Magpunawaan. That's it.
Sandra, good luck.
when it was destined to. Finally, the time for
Nais kong maging kabiyak mo sa maganda at mahirap na panahon. At nangangako akong maharapin natin ang lahat ng pagsubok ng magkasama. Aalagaan, igagalang, at mamahalin kita habang ako'y nabubuhay.
Our love has never been perfect, but it has always been patient, kind, and strong, able to overcome distance, time, and every test along the way. With you, I have found my home, my safest place, and the love that allows me to be truly myself.
in the same place. Lover, I'll see this through. We could love.
Justin, I wish you all the best. With Sandra, go your way with love, with a little bit of humor also, okay, and respect. I wish you all the best.
maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin. Alam mo na mahal ka namin. Ni Jay. Danke, dass du da bist. Für Mama. Und ich hoffe, du bleibst immer von Kanada. Danke für alles, was ihr macht für uns. Danke.
Ang makeup ko matatanggal.
Thank you po sa effort at pumunta po kayo kahit malayo po. Tsaka alam ko din po na may importante kayong mga kailangang asikasuhin pero nag-spend po kayo ng oras para po sa espesyal na araw nito. Maraming salamat po.
Today, I give you my heart, my soul, and my unwavering commitment. I choose you now and forever as my partner, my love, and my best friend. Together, we will write the next chapters of our story hand in hand and heart to heart. I love you more than words can express, and I am honored to become your wife. Here's to our forever. I love you.
I now pronounce Mr. Justin Torres Gavin and Mrs. Sandra Lynn Espartero Gavin as husband and wife. Palakpakan po natin ang Diyos.
I made it. Thank God I made it. I made it. I made it out of my whole face. I made it out of my whole face.
Yes,
And I'm ready for some love today.
Sandra Gavin. Palakpakan po natin.
I made it. Thank God I made it. I made it. I made it out of my whole face. I made it out of my whole face. And I'm ready for some love today. That ain't me. Say goodbye to the street.
Marami pa tayong haharapin at hindi na ako makapaghintay na makasama ka sa bawat sandali. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa kayang ipuhayag ng mga salita. At labis akong nagpapasalamat na pinili mo kong magpakasal sa akin ngayon. Para sa atin, sa pagmahal at sa biyahe ng buhay na kasama ka. Love you.